Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to online class of Kana Islami Ali Madrasa, Vijayanagar, Brahmanbaria. Dear learners, at first I would like to introduce myself. I am Muhammad Farid, assistant teacher of Kana Islami Ali Madrasa, Vijayanagar, Brahmanbaria. My dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Creator, and also hope that you are staying at your home, abide by the rules of hygiene properly. My dear learners, today I am going to take a class in English for the students of class 8. So, dear students of class 8, please join with me with your notebook, pen and textbook. Okay, dear students. Now I am going to start our today's lesson. Dear learners, today I am going to discuss about an important topics of your syllabus. It is very important for English language. It is the topic of right form of verb. If you don't know the rules or use of appropriate right form of verbs, you cannot make any sentence, or you cannot make appropriate answer for the exam. So it is very important for you. Now I am going to start our lesson. Okay, let's get started our today's lesson, right form of verb. At the beginning of the class, I want to introduce about different kinds of verb. First one is base form of verb B1, যেমন such as eat or go. Number two, past form of verb B2, ate or went. 3, first form of verb B3, eaten or gone. Number 4, S or yes form of verb eats or goes. 5, gerund, that means verb 1 plus ing, eating or going. 6, infinitive form of verb means 2 plus verb base from to eat to go. Dear learners, it is the form of different kinds of verb. And number 7, to do verb Do, does, did. Dear learners, look at the whiteboard and I will write some of verbs, some of the form of verbs. You can write your notebook. Okay. I hope you have written in your uh, notebook. So it is the writing. To have verb, have, has, had. Number 9, modal or semi-modal. Verb, shall, should, will, would, can, would, may, might, must, ought to, used to, need to, dare, attempt to, is to, are to, etc. Dear learners, it is the form of right form verb. It is the form of right form of verb, and another form is be verb. You know, am, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be, have been, has been, had been. Dear learners, I will give you the different kinds of verbs. Now I am going to appropriate use of right form of verb. So look at the blackboard. I will give you some examples for clear the lesson. So first example, model auxiliary verb. I want to discuss model related verb at first. Okay. Model verb. At first, I want to discuss model auxiliary verb. Plus B1 Dear learners, I will discuss about modal related verb. If we find any sentence, modal auxiliary verb can, could, shall, should, will, would, we will use the base form of verb, verb 1, and when we find modal plus can plus b, modal plus b plus verb first participle and modal plus head, we will use verb 3. এখানে can অথবা only be হলেও we will use verb 3. So I will give some examples. First example, you must following the rules of behave. Dear learners, you must following the rules of behave. It is modal auxiliary, so we know that modal auxiliary after use verb base form. So it is right answer. You must follow the rules of behave. Extension. A following converted follow. It is the form of base. It is the verb base form. So following change into follow. Okay, dear students, I hope you will be able to understand the example. Now I will give you another example. It can easily be solved within seconds. It can easily be solved within seconds. Dear learners, look at the example. Modal auxiliary can, and in this sentence we find be. Can plus be. According to the structure, modal plus be plus verb past participle. So it can and be the verb form of solved. It is the solved first participle from. Dear learners, right answer, it can easily be solved. It is the third form or first participle form of the verb. So solved within seconds. Okay, dear learners, I will give you another example. You might have, according to the third rules, you might have the name of Haji Muhammad Mohsin. Okay, dear learners, you might have heard the name of Haji Muhammad Mohsin. In this sentence, might modal plus have. Okay, modal plus modal according to the rule, modal plus have plus verb first participle, modal plus have plus have. It is first participle from is heart. So it is right answer. Right form of verb is heart. Okay, dear students, answer the sentence. You might have ACARD, heart, ed, heart, the name of Haji Muhammad Mohsin. Okay, dear learners, HE and heart. You might have heard the name of Haji Muhammad Mohsin. I hope you will be able to understand the examples. Now, I am going to another rules of right from a verbs. Now, I am going to discuss about to-do verb. You know, to-do verb is do, does, did. To do verb. It is a structure. Do and does, did plus verb base form. Okay, dear learners, when we find to do verb in any sentence, do, does, did, we will use the base form of verb. It is easy for us. I will give you some examples. First example, she didn't phone me last night. She did not phone me last night. Dear learners, okay, in this sentence, did, it is the to do verb. Do, did, does. You know that do, does, did. It is the to do verb. When we find any sentence in to do verb, we will use the base form of verb. So, she did not phone me last night. Answer, she did not phone me last night. Okay, dear students, when we will find to the verbs, we will use verb base form. Okay, I hope you will be able to understand in my lesson. Dear learners, I will discuss another rules in my future class. Be careful for your health. Okay, bye.